5 valuable viewpoints. Now that we understand more about the modeling tools, how both the meta models are working together with definitions, what's driving us as business architects, and part of our plan is to answer that question we always get from key stakeholders, the good old, so what applications and technologies underpin business capabilities? Let's start unpacking our viewpoints and look at the cross mappings. This is where the benefit comes, where we become the answer shop. For each presentation going forward, I've taken the approach to show you what to look out for in the tools on a slide, so you see one, then practice driving the tools. Then one by one, we will see how the model was built. Then when it comes time for you to implement in your own environments, it will be easy. Hopefully, you have had it some time thus far to get oriented with Archi. Let's move into our first viewpoint. Transportation value streams with value proposition and stakeholder. As per the Business Architecture Meta Model Guide version 2 from the Business Architecture Guild, we are looking at the take a trip, send shipment, and execute route business level value streams. They each have several value stream stages that contribute to a customer's value proposition. If you go into Archi and look at the Views folder, you can double click on the view with the number 1. Then look at the visualizer. Can you see passenger 1 is associated with the take a trip value stream, which influences the arrival at final destination value proposition? The little fragment on the slide is from the visualizer pane. It shows the use of the composition relationship to show the underlying value stream stages making take a trip happen. Let's use Excel now to drill into the composition relationship. Once we get to our 5th one of these, you will be well practiced. Value stream composed of value stream. We can see source objects on the y-axis, vertical on the left. On the x-axis are the target objects on the other side of our cross mapping. Where you see type, you are looking at a filter for the type of relationship. This is cross mapping. In this case, it is the composition relationship. Look for the value stream on the y and value stream on the x. Where they intersect is the number of times that relationship was used between source and target objects. This is cross mapping at its best. Immediately, you can see where there are many relationships to a given object. This can show you where the greatest impact will be when you call out a change to your current state. That wasn't too hard. Believe me, they will get more detailed as we explore the model. Now let's look at the key point in our next slide. Key point. We've cross-mapped value streams to stakeholder and drilled down into value stream stages. This takes care of identifying our top-level business architecture and connecting value to an external stakeholder. Next, we move down the stack to cross-map our business capabilities that serve these value streams. Remember, capabilities are made up of people, process, information, and tools to add value to a customer. They anchor all of our business architecture discussion. Remember, as we go down the stack and look at capabilities from different perspectives, we will be able to address many business stakeholders' concerns. One ongoing concern that always comes up is what applications in technology underpin value creation for key stakeholders. This is where we will get to at the conclusion with the 5th viewpoint. Let's move to the next viewpoint.